Welcome back to my Quizlab channel. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel for more exciting quizzes.
We've lined up 60 splashy questions, and you've only got 10 seconds to answer each one. Are you ready to dive in? Which animal can sleep up to 20 hours a day? Koala or sloth? Koala. Which bird is known for its beautiful pink color? Flamingo or peacock? Flamingo. Which animal can survive both in water and on land? Frog or snake? Frog. Which animal is famous for carrying its home on its back? Snail or crab? Snail. Which sea creature has 10 limbs? Squid or octopus? Squid. Which animal can recognize itself in a mirror? Dolphin or cat? Dolphin. What is the largest species of penguin? Emperor penguin or king penguin? Emperor penguin. Which animal can jump the highest relative to its size? Flea or frog? Flea. Which animal is known for its black mask and mischievous behavior? Raccoon or fox? Raccoon. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? Bat or flying squirrel? Bat. Which animal is known to have the strongest bite in the world? Crocodile or lion? Crocodile. Which animal's fingerprints are nearly identical to humans? Koala or gorilla? Koala. Which animal spends almost its entire life in trees? Sloth or elephant? Sloth. Which animal has a blue tongue? Lizard or giraffe? Giraffe. What is the largest living bird of prey? Andean condor or eagle? Andean condor. Which bird can rotate its head almost completely around? Owl or falcon? Owl. Which animal can live the longest without drinking water? Camel or kangaroo rat? Kangaroo, rat. Which animal has the longest lifespan among all mammals? Bowhead whale or elephant? Bowhead whale. Which sea creature is known as the unicorn of the sea? Narwhal or dolphin? Narwhal. Which mammal has the most powerful sense of smell? Bear or dog? Bear. Which animal is the smallest mammal on Earth? Bumblebee bat or mouse? Bumblebee bat. Which animal has no vocal cords and cannot make sounds? Giraffe or rabbit? Giraffe.